Here are 33 common words related to elections. Election, election, election. Voter, voter, voter. Candidate, candidate, candidate. Ballot, ballot, ballot. Polling station, polling station, polling station. Campaign, campaign, campaign. Political party, political party, political party. Vote, vote, vote. Win, win, win. Lose, lose, lose. Electoral Commission, electoral commission, electoral commission, electoral commission. Constituency, constituency, constituency or constituency, constituency or constituency, constituency, constituency. Incumbent, incumbent, incumbent. Run for office, run for office, run for office. Election day, election day, election day. Political campaign, political campaign, political campaign. Debate, debate, debate. Electoral college, electoral college, electoral college. Exit poll, exit poll, exit poll. Exit or exit poll, exit poll, exit poll. Political platform, political platform, political platform. Inauguration, 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 inauguration. Concession speech, concession speech, concession speech, concession speech.
Electoral roll, electoral roll, electoral roll.
Majority, majority, majority. Minority, minority, minority. Political spectrum, political spectrum, political spectrum. Referendum, referendum, referendum. Electoral fraud, electoral fraud, electoral fraud. Political activism, political activism, political activism. Campaign trail, campaign trail, campaign trail. Political alliance, political alliance, political alliance. Swing province, swing province, swing province. Political endorsement, political endorsement, political endorsement. Thank you very much.